Just gonna keep it like that, so because there's a light there, so it's behind that thing there. But my mom told me like tonight is the moon's closest point to Earth. I googled it, it's 369,000 kilometers, and there's like a cloudy cover. But check that star thing behind it, like how bright that is. It's crazy. Check the stars. It's like so I'm not sure if it's a southern or northern hemisphere thing, but you can see it's like really big behind the clouds. They also say there's gonna be a meteor shower or something, so people that stay awake. I've been playing Quest for Glory 4, and man, what a glitchy freaking game. Like, there's so many issues and so much work you have to put in, you know, and a lot of times you're lucky, and magic is like definitely good, like to be a thief with magic, you know, which is difficult but a good setup. Old games, like very old games, but man, like the imagination, like how it captures you, and just like the puzzles and stuff. And I use walkthroughs, you know, because it's old and stuff. You know, I don't want to spend years and years, because it's quite difficult. Some of that stuff like is difficult. It's very difficult. It's not easy games to play, but it's so much fun. This is so beautiful.